Hi guys, it's Serena and I hope you're all doing good and staying safe in Denmark. I miss you all and I wish I could be there with you every Thursday. So today we're going to do a little activity that kind of incorporates the outdoors and being outside. So I know you guys all really loved going to watch the train go by and would always go stand on the chair and really get excited when the train passed by. So I thought it would be cool to do some sort of activity where you'd be looking outside again. Obviously, it's not going to be a train passing by this time, but just kind of see some of Massachusetts and where I'm from. And it will also be really cool for you guys to make observations about what you see. So you're going to first look outside for like 30 seconds and just get a sense of the view. And then you're going to say what the weather is. And then you're going to say 5 general observations that you have. And I'll give some examples of those to come. And then also I'm going to hide a stuffed animal outside in this location. So I'm going to give you some time also to try to look for that animal just to make it a little more fun. And we're going to go to 3 different windows outside my house. So by the way, this is the stuffed animal that you guys are all going to be looking for throughout the video. Okay, so this is the first window you guys are going to be looking through. You can kind of see my reflections, but just try to avoid that throughout the video. So I'm first just going to give you like a look outside and kind of scan it around. And remember to be thinking about some general observations and the weather as I show this. So this is just the general view from this specific window. So it's the outside of my house, so there's a few observations that can be made. So after you have looked at this for 30 seconds, some observations you could say would be there's the barbecue. There's the fence. This is obviously a deck. There's a mat right there. And some trees. And a house right there. And a house right there. Obviously, it's not as exciting as a train, but here's just an outside view of Newburyport, Massachusetts. And take a minute just to look for the bear. Okay, and that is site number 1. So this is site number 2, and this is the front of my house. So I'm going to give you around 30 seconds again, just to look outside and make observations of what you see. Okay, so after you have counted your specific 30 seconds, you're going to make some observations. Again, obviously the weather is still the same, but maybe you could describe it in a little different way. And then you're also going to look for the bear. So some observations that can be made here are there's bushes, there's another house, we have the street. Usually there's been a lot more walkers and bikers, people like scootering during quarantine, but right now obviously there isn't. There's a fence over there, another bush. These are the stairs. It's a little harder to see those. And remember to be looking for the bear, because at the end you're going to want to jot down where the bear was in each of the locations. And once again, this is the second location. Okay, so this is the third site, and it's in the living room of my house. And it's a bigger window, so I'm going to give you guys a little more time to look through all 3 components of it. And sorry it's a little hard to see. The camera quality isn't great. You can look up here too. The lower one. Remember to be looking, once again, observations, and also the bear. Then here. And then up. And then that's a general scan again. So some observations you could say for this place would be houses again. There's more cars here because we have our cars here. Also, we have this wall here, the driveway, mainly trees, some mailboxes you can see now. We couldn't really see mailboxes before. If you look really out far over here, you can even see the water. That's Lake Artichoke. So also remember to say the weather as well. And here's just another scan. And remember to be looking for the bear too throughout this scan. I'll show it one more time. Remember to keep an eye out for the stuffed animal. So I hope you guys enjoyed this activity and had fun with it. Also, I hope it gave you a better sense of where I live, Newburyport, Massachusetts, through the 3 different windows and it's like different angles of my house. So some examples of the weather that you could have said if you wanted to change it for each location would be sunny, warm, bright, glowing, different words like that, because it's actually a very nice day out today. And then obviously there were a lot of different examples of observations that I tried to explain throughout the video, but like be creative with it and like really try to use your eye to maybe spot out something new. And remember also you were supposed to be looking for the stuffed animal in all the locations. So for the first location, the stuffed animal was behind the barbecue. For the second location, the stuffed animal was like behind the bush and near the bush kind of. And then lastly, for the third location, the stuffed animal was near the tire and very close to the car. All right, well I hope you guys continue staying safe and healthy. Miss you all and enjoy the activity.